Hi, in this video I would like to tell you more about the nominative case. So this is one of the grammatical cases in Polish. In Polish, the nominative case is mianownik. And in this video we will focus only on the singular form. A video about the nominative plural will be recorded separately. First question, when do we use the nominative case? What is it for? So this is the basic form of the word, of the noun, of the pronoun, of the numeral, of the adjective. And this is the form that you will find in dictionaries. So whenever you look for new words you don't know, you will look for them in the nominative case. So this is the basic form. And it's used in the sentence to show what is the subject. So like in this example, moja mama jest w domu. Moja mama jest w domu. So moja mama, my mom, is the subject of the sentence and it's in the nominative case. So the key person of the sentence is in the nominative case. Or młody chłopiec czyta książkę. Młody chłopiec czyta książkę. So młody chłopiec is the subject. And we can see that here we have two elements. We have the adjective and the noun. So both of these elements are in the nominative case. Also, we use the nominative case when we have a subject in affirmative existential sentences. Existential sentences are like in English, there is, there are. So we show someone's or something is existing somewhere. So this is a special type of sentences. I know that in many languages there are these existential sentences and they have their own rules. So in Polish we also have them. And affirmative means the positive sentence. So it's not a negation, it's a positive sentence. And then the subject in such sentences is in the nominative case. For example, na stole jest książka. Na stole jest książka. So we are discovering the existence of the book on the table. And książka is the subject here. But note that whenever we have negative existential sentences, so not affirmative, then the subject in Polish will be in another case, in the genitive case. Just to let you know, so you are not surprised. For example, na stole nie ma książki. There is no book on the table. So we express that something does not exist. And książki is a word, książka, in the genitive case. But maybe I will tell you more when we will discover the genitive case. All right. When else we use the nominative case? We use it when we have a phrase to jest in sentence. So with this phrase, we use the nominative case. To jest means this is. So we identify an object or a person somewhere. But here it includes both the positive and negative sentences. As some examples, to jest kot. To jest kot. This is a cat. We have the phrase to jest, yes, so the next word will be in the nominative case. To jest moja mama. To jest moja mama. This is my mom. Again, we are pointing, this time a person, and very often we omit this jest in this phrase, and it still counts. We still use the nominative case. So we could also say, to moja mama. To moja mama. It means the same, to jest moja mama. Sometimes it's simply shorter just to say, to moja mama. Also in negations, to nie jest komputer. To nie jest komputer. We also use the nominative case with predicate adjectives, meaning whenever we have a sentence, when there is a subject, then there is the verb to be, and after this to be, there is an adjective. Then this adjective will be in the nominative case. Like, stół nie jest duży. Stół nie jest duży. The table is not big. So we have the subject stół, then the verb to be, and then an adjective. And this adjective is in the nominative case. Ona jest wysoka. Ona jest wysoka. Ona is the subject, jest the verb to be, and then the adjective wysoka in the nominative case. However, when we have predicate nouns, so after the to be verb, there is a noun or a combination of adjective and noun, then we don't use the nominative case. Then we use the instrumental case. For example, ona jest wysoką dziewczyną. Ona jest wysoką dziewczyną. So here we have wysoką dziewczyną. We don't say wysoka dziewczyna. Ona jest wysoka dziewczyna. We need to use the instrumental case here. Why? Well, maybe because we have like two nouns. We cannot have two nouns looking like subjects. We need to somehow show the relationship. Okay? Ona, this word is the subject. Not wysoka dziewczyna. This is somehow related to ona, but we see the relationship this way, that wysoką dziewczyną is the description of ona. Ona is still the subject of the sentence. Now, let's have a look how to create words in the nominative case, or how to recognize that this word is in the nominative case. Let's first focus on the nouns, because nouns and then adjectives have different endings, so you need to learn them separately. And it depends what kind of gender the word is. Based on the gender, there is a different characteristic ending. So masculine nouns in the nominative case have following endings. It's usually a consonant, like chłopiec, pies, dom. So different types of consonants. Sometimes also the a ending will be for masculine nouns, and this refers to males, like mężczyzna, kolega. And then the neuter nouns will have following endings. O, like dziecko, jajko, okno. E ending, like słońce, morze, życie. En, like piskle, imię. In foreign words, muzeum, akwarium. Feminine words will have following endings. A, like kobieta, żyrafa, ściana. I ending, like pani, gospodyni. And some consonants also might be visible in the feminine nouns. Noc, sól, krew. But these are more like exceptions. So, right, based on these endings, you can recognize the gender. And then adjectives have different endings. Masculine adjectives in the nominative case will have following endings. Like ładny, dobry, or I ending after K and G, wysoki, drogi. Neuter adjectives in the nominative case will have the endings ładne, dobre, or ie after K and G, wysokie, drogie. Feminine adjectives in the nominative case will have the ending a, like ładna, dobra, wysoka. And now let's look at a glance at the endings that are in the nominative singular for nouns and adjectives. Take some time to analyze the table. Here you can see what is for masculine, neuter, and feminine. Alright, I hope that this video helped you to understand more the nominative case. In the next videos, we will focus on some other cases in the Polish language. Thanks for watching and till next time!